Good morning, my friends. Today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Let's see. Yeah, I'm at work. Get ready to get this day started. Getting my bag together. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave comments at the bottom. Yeah, thank y'all for watching some of my vlogs and my videos. Well, not some of them, but thank you for watching my videos, my vlogs. I really appreciate it. Welcome to all the new subscribers. And what's up to my OG subscribers, the ones that's been with me from the beginning. I really appreciate y'all, because you could be doing something else. So thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I really want to do like a giveaway once a month until the new year. So I just gotta look into it and figure out how to actually do a giveaway, because I don't know how. I don't know, you know, YouTube have certain rules and guidelines that you have to follow in order to do like legit giveaways, so nobody could say, oh well, that person had a giveaway and they didn't do it right, they cheated me or whatever. So I have to actually look into that and figure out how to do it, because I don't know how to do that. So I don't know. I kind of want to give away, I don't know what I want to give away, but I do want to do a giveaway. So I'm gonna think more into that. Plus, I'm going to do some research and figure out how to do that. And then I guess it'll start. When I do host a giveaway, it will last like the whole entire month of whatever month it is. So, because this is October, and this is what, October 8th or 9th? Yeah, October 9th. I'm kind of behind schedule on that. But it will go until the end of October. But like I said, I don't know how to do it. So when I figure that out, maybe we'll start in November, and I'll probably just do 2 giveaways in November, and then we'll go December, and then I will do one in January too. So I'm gonna figure that out, and I guess I'm gonna get back with y'all with that giveaway whenever. So yeah, let's get this Wednesday, this wonderful Wednesday. Let's get it going. This morning, y'all. So I got this hoodie on and the hood on my head because it's cold. It's cold this morning. And the giveaway, I'm thinking about doing something like, I think I want to do some AirPods, skincare stuff, and maybe some perfume. I don't know. I haven't really decided on exactly everything that I want to give. I don't know. Leave in the comments what kind of giveaway I should do. Okay, I am on my way back to work. I'm waiting on this thing to start so I can actually see what I'm recording. Not sure. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. But anyway, I'm on my way back to work. Today, y'all already know, is Wonderful Wednesday. I didn't do nothing. I just ate some rice and eggs, scrambled eggs for lunch. Trying this new rice, this what is it, ginger and coconut. It's a ginger and coconut rice. So I'm trying that to see if I like it. Like I said, I bought that last time I went to the store. I think I vlogged about that, but I don't know. But yeah, I finally decided to cook it today. It was pretty good. It was okay. I think I like that Uncle Ben's better. But like I said, they was out of it. so I had to get a different kind. We're supposed to be going camping this weekend. We're actually just gonna go for one day. I'm trying to make sure. What kind of fucking luck am I having today? Hold on, y'all. Okay, let's get it going. Let's do this again. Jeez. Anyway, as I was saying, we're going camping this weekend. They're actually going the whole entire weekend, but we only gonna go for just one day. Because, you know, I gotta work Friday, and then they normally come back on Sunday. So we're just going for one day, and then come back. So I gotta try to get us some food and get our camp gear ready. We already got a tent and sleeping bags and, you know, all that stuff. So it should be fun. I actually like camping, and I keep on saying that we're gonna go for more days than just one, but we never do. We usually just go one day and be done with it. But it's fun. I most definitely will record it and get some footage. So yeah, I'm trying to do that. I'm trying to get that stuff together, like water, juice, whatever kind of food we're gonna bring. We need to bring some wood. Of course, it's gonna be very cool, so I need to get our blankets and stuff together. Like I said, the sleeping bags. You know, we already got the tent. We actually not gonna take the instant tent. We're gonna take like the big. We got a big tent, but it's kind of hard to put together. But it holds 12 people. So what we normally do is we cut one side off for just like the bathroom, so we could actually use the bathroom. Of course, we pee in a bucket. I know it sounds nasty, but when you out there camping and the actual facility, the bathroom facility, is some ways away from you, yeah, you're gonna make do, especially if you're drinking. You know, so we got a bucket, and then at Home Depot, I think I bought that from Home Depot or Lowe's, one of them. They got this little thing that you could put on top, like a toilet seat that you could put on top of a bucket. So yeah, we normally put it inside of one of those big old milk crate things. We put the bucket inside of that, and then we put the toilet seat on top of that, and that's how we're gonna go to the bathroom. No heavy stuff though. You got some heavy stuff, you gotta hold it. You gotta hold it until you get to that other facility. You know, this one is just like emergency. You know, so yeah. So that's what we're gonna be doing this weekend. It most definitely should be fun. My whole family is going, not just my immediate family, but my extended family is going as well. So it should be about maybe between, I don't know, last time it was like, I think it was like 10 actual tents set up. So it might be more this time. So I don't know. We'll see when we get there. Like I said, we're gonna be the last people to get there, because I'm just not trying to go leave from work and then go camping. I don't want to do that. So that's the reason why we're not going Friday.